So, good evening, Ma'am Jay. So, today is I'm going to present my activity in midterm activity for the student registration applications. So, in this case, for the first is we're going to present the code itself. So, I have here the student registration app, and so let's proceed in our the code and the code. We have here also the SRC. Let's proceed to SRC and the app. Then in the app we conclude a file that we have here, a layout.txt. So it is for our navigations. We import stack from explorer, export default functions, route layout, and so on and so forth. So we have here those styles that we include. uh, Screen options, stock screen, then the next is we have here the index, as for our landing page, or that represents our code. So we import the React from React, then import view text, touchable opacity, React Native, export default, then return view styles, that container styles, the title, welcome student management, text, then text, touchable opacity here. So text, register the student, touchable opacity, styles secondary button, on press, router push, save, click save. Then we have here also the layout or some styles in our index. So this represent this index is represent as our landing page. So the next one is we have here the registrations SX. So for our registrations now, we have here import React, use states, use effects. From React, import view, text, and so on and so forth, and use effect to fetching for our data, then loads student information and editing. So we have here this one, the set editing ID, set students, then param students, then reset form, cons, reset form, then for our this one is for our pic profile image, cons pic image, sync, then cons request, and so on and so forth. And we have here also the clear form, this one, handle clear, alert, that alert. So sure, if you want to clear all entered informations, then automatically clears, then it's active. Then the next is for save and update students, validate required fields, then try get existing students, and that one register new students if else. Then profile image for uploading your image, full name, field, place order, student, then buttons. Then of course we have also the styles for our mobile app, then this one, then so on and so forth. Then the next is the save tsx. So kanisha is for our other files, for our other tab is to import, again we import React, callback from React, then view text, list, then today makita today is that with students, this runs every time when the students save, when the save students, the students become active, no. So diri makita na to diri ang pagload sa students, and same thing at the same time. Then delete one students, you can delete it, then remove, sync, then delete, then edit, then so yeah, we can edit also the students, or if we want to edit it, or we can also, then once na ma-edit na to siya, then it automatically update the new version of it, of of the students, and then also na po i-delete, no? So that it will automatically delete and di siya mag-display, no? And so on and so forth. And that's also, let's proceed to the code, to the output. So this is the output, no, of info as I represent in cellphone, the student portal. So welcome to student management, register new student or manage existing records. So if we click the register new students, then let's say VJ Sigman, then C230683, course BSIT, year level 4th year, 4th, then VJ Adrian Sigman, and then number, then register student, then also we can select a photo. So na then anda mag-select, so makita na diri ang gisave nga students, no, Arabis IT4. So also we can edit it once na edit, say 5, level 5, or I mean change course BSHM, then once update record, then makita na ito diri nga nag-update siya. So yeah, and that's all, ma'am, for this activity, and thank you.